Okay, Volvo owners right here. I have a 2004 VNL 670 with Cummins, and basically this thing wouldn't start. At first I thought it was the starter because I banged on it a couple times and it worked. Like maybe 2 or 3 times it did it on me, and it banged. I banged a starter right there, and it worked. Now I believe that was just a coincidence. Basically, that starter that I had right there, it was approximately next month was gonna be a year old. So basically a brand new starter. But based on the fact that I banged on it a couple times and the truck started, I thought it was the starter. So basically I replaced it. To my surprise, same thing, wouldn't start. So I did a bridge right there on the solenoid with the positive, and it did start. So I started looking for bad connections, stuff like that, with my handy dandy right here. And well, to my surprise, I just spent $300, $350 for no reason. Just this was my issue right here. This guy, well, this is a new one that I put just to test it, because I noticed there was a little bit of corrosion there, not as bad, but this post right here, that's the one that goes to the starter, to the solenoid. That one was a little bit closed, so the contact was not at its best. So I kind of inserted something in the holes and opened it a little bit. I put this one, and now the truck is starting. Ooh, that was a good outcome. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and test the this one, just so you know, it's covered with this, and it goes hanging somewhere back there. I'm gonna go ahead and try this one now that I closed the terminals right there. And come on, focus. Oh boy. And I'll go ahead and give it this one a shot again. If not, I'll replace the part itself, the relay, just to see how it goes. Well, just a little tip right there to the Volvo. Well, this I'm pretty sure it will apply to many trucks. Doesn't have to be a Volvo, but sometimes a little issue like this can get you crazy. All right, see you all. Bye.